Good morning, students. Today I will start unit number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. In this first unit is weather. The definition of weather: the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the elements. Elements means factors. See this one, weather means the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the elements means factors. This is called weather. This weather based on certain factors. Those factors are called as what? Elements. Those elements are temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed. Humidity means the amount of moisture in the air. These are the factors or elements of the weather. Sometimes there is a change in the weather. All the changes in the weather that is caused by the sun, because due to sun there is a variation of temperature. Where there is a variation of temperature, there is a change of weather. Next one, maximum temperature. Another one, minimum temperature. Particular time we can see that maximum temperature. Particular time we can see that minimum temperature. See now, first one, maximum temperature. This one occurs generally in the afternoon section. That minimum temperature, this one occurs generally in the early morning. What it indicates? Maximum temperature means the temperature which is in higher level. This one occurs afternoon because in afternoon session sun gives more temperature. But minimum temperature that occurs in early morning, there is a low temperature. Next one, to record the maximum and minimum temperatures, there are special thermometers. Thermometers are the devices that measures the temperatures. To record the maximum and minimum temperatures during day, there are special thermometers. Name of that one is maximum, minimum thermometers. Next one, climate. The average weather pattern taken over a long time. Long time means we can say 25 years. See once again, climate means the average weather pattern taken over a long time means for many years. We can take it as 25 years. This is all process is called as what? Climate of the place. Next one, climate chart. The annual record of long term average temperature and the rainfall together at a particular place is called climate chart. The annual record of long term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place is called climate chart. There are two regions. Regions means places on the earth. First one is called tropical region. Second one is called as polar region. Region means place. Tropical means hot region that around the equator. Second one, polar region. Polar region that is present or situated near the poles. Two poles are north and south. This is the general explanation about the weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. See once again, weather means the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to their elements or factors. Those elements are temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed. Humidity means the amount of air in the amount of moisture in the air. Sometimes there is a change in the weather due to the or by the sun. There are two types of temperature, maximum and minimum. This one occurs mainly in afternoon session, but minimum temperature occur in the early morning. To record the minimum and maximum or maximum and minimum temperature of the day, there are particular thermometers. Thermometers are the devices used to measure the temperature. Name of the special thermometer is maximum minimum thermometers. Climate, the average weather pattern taken over a long time. Long time means for many years. We can take it as 25 years. This one is called as what? Climate of the place. Second one, climate chart. The annual record of long term average temperature and the rainfall at a particular place is called as climate chart. Next one, there are two regions or places on the earth. First one is tropical. Tropical means hot region, that is around the equator. Second one, polar region, that is near the poles, north and south poles of the earth.